The most watched match in history was about to be decided by the most shocking moment in football, July 9th, 2006. Berlin's Olympic Stadium, France versus Italy in the World Cup final. Over 1 billion people glued to their screens as the match headed to penalties. In the 110th minute, something strange happened between Zinedine Zidane and Marco Materazzi. Words were exchanged. Nobody could hear what was said, but tension filled the air. Then it happened. Zidane calmly walked 10 steps away from Materazzi. He turned around, accelerated, and drove his head straight into the Italian's chest. 1 billion people watched in complete disbelief. 10 seconds of pure silence in stadiums worldwide. The red card came out. The greatest career in football history was over. France lost on penalties without their captain and greatest player. Years later, we learned what Materazzi said about Zidane's sister. One moment of rage, one headbutt, one World Cup lost forever.